What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the 2024 Honda Civic Sport. I'm going to show you guys the exterior, interior, go over all the specifications of this car and take it for a test drive. Honda redesigned the Honda Civic back in 2022 and it hasn't really changed much for the 2024 model. But as you can see, you have this semi-aggressive front bumper and grille with the Honda emblem right up front, LED headlamps. This specific model does not have fog lights, but as you can see, you have the blanks right there. You have a very nice and sporty 18-inch alloy wheels. You have no turn signal indicator in the mirrors. You have keyless entry in this model, of course. The gas tank is on the driver's side, and you have a huge shark fin antenna right there. Coming on to the back, you have a rear wiper. You have your Honda emblem, Civic insignia, and the Sport badge right there. Right under the car, you get one single exhaust on the passenger side. Let me give you guys another quick walk around of the car. If you want to buy this car brand new, it will cost you about $25,000. It has a 5-star safety rating. When you buy it brand new, you get a 3-year, 26,000 miles basic warranty. Now that I show you guys the exterior of the car, let's take a look at the interior. Going into the interior, you have your door panel. You have a little bit of storage space right over here with a cup holder. You have your window switches that feel very nice to the touch, even though they're plastic. You have nice bucket seats with a combination of leather and cloth with manual seat adjusters. If we sit inside, let's go ahead and close the door. Put the foot on the brake. Hit the start button right over here and start the engine. Inside, you have a sporty steering wheel with your media controls on the left, cruise control and safety options on the right. You have paddle shifters on both sides, your light switches on the left side, and on the right side you have your windshield wiper controls. You have your instrument cluster. Very interesting. The one on the right is analog, but the one on the left is digital. I don't know why they didn't make them both either analog or digital. But that's very cool. This one's digital and that one's analog. You have your infotainment system that's made it to 8 speakers that sound pretty good. You have your AC vent behind this little gate. It's very strange because I've never seen that in any other car. AC controls right over here. Very nice. They feel very nice to the touch. You have a USB and a 12-volt outlet right there. There's no wireless charging in this specific model, but you have a little bit of storage. You have your gear selector, 2 cup holders, and your driving modes. Cycling through your driving modes, you have normal, sport, or eco. You have your engine start-stop button, your parking brake, and your brake hold button. Inside here, you have a little bit of storage space. There's no USB outlets or 12-volt outlets inside here. Usually you get those in any other car, but not in this one. And of course, you have your glove compartment right over here where you keep the vehicle manual. And coming on up, you have reading lamps. You have your sun visors with no light. It's very weird. They don't have a light. No light. All right, let's check out the rear seats. Going into the rear of the car, you have a cup holder right over here, regular door panel. You have no storage pocket behind the driver's seat or the passenger seat. There's also no AC vents for the rear passengers. Seating space for 3 adults. There is no center cup holder or armrest, at least not in this specific model. And that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and open the trunk. In the trunk, you have this mat that you can put on and off to cover your belongings. You do get a light, and right under here, you have your spare tire with a jack. If you want some more storage space, you can also fold down the rear seats. And there you go. Now that I show you guys the exterior and interior, let's take a look at the engine bay. To open the engine bay, you have this lever right over here. Just pull. And right under the engine bay, you have a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, making 158 horsepower, made it to a CVT transmission. This vehicle is front-wheel drive. As you can see, you have your battery right in front of the driver. This is a brand new engine. If you're worried about fuel economy, this 2-liter 4-cylinder engine is very economical. She will do 30 in the city, 37 miles per gallon on the highway. Honda engines are known for being super reliable and fuel efficient. All right guys, so I show you guys the exterior and interior of this Honda Civic along with all of its features. But a quick fun fact, my second car ever was a 1997 Honda Civic EX. This one is very different from that car. I had the EX with the sunroof and the sporty spoiler in the back. But yeah, I'm very happy to actually get back into another Honda Civic. This is actually the first Honda Civic that I've driven since I had that car. And that was probably like 11 years ago. All right guys, so right now we're taking this 2024 Honda Civic Sport for a drive, just to see how well it drives, you know, and how quick it picks up. Okay, we're in drive. We're gonna put it in sport mode. There you go, and let's go. Let's do a quick acceleration test. A 158 horsepower, 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Let's see how quick it picks up. So we're at a complete stop right now. We're in sport mode, and we're just gonna floor it. Let's do this. Nothing impressive. She's definitely screaming. Yeah, so that was nothing, you know, exciting. You know, it's a 4-cylinder, 2-liter engine with 158 horsepower. So it's not fast. Car drives, you know, pretty normal, basic driving. The engine screams a lot, especially when you have it in sport mode. But other than that, I mean, you put it back to normal. Okay, so we're normal driving now. You have a very nice, comfortable, quiet ride. I mean, it's a perfect car for a beginner. You first got your driver's license, this is your first car. It's a great option. Pretty quiet. and sporty drive. Very stable for what I can feel, but it just drives like a regular car. You put it in eco, it will save you some more gas. Right now I put it in eco and the car feels more sluggish. Yeah, let's put it back to normal at least. Now let's put it in sport mode and throw it one more time. Yeah, definitely a screamer. Too much screaming and no action. But still, like I said, Hondas are very reliable, very fuel efficient, and it's a perfect option for a first car. If you're just getting a hang of driving, if you just got your driver's license, this is a great option right here. This also feels very different to the 1997 Honda Civic EX that I used to own. You know, my second car ever. This one feels very different. Definitely better interior materials inside. You know, you have all these LED buttons and touchscreens and whatnot. My car didn't have any of that. So yeah, this one feels very different. Somehow I feel like the one that I used to have, somehow I feel like my 97 EX felt faster. But maybe it's just me. You would think the Honda Civics would come at least with like 260 nowadays, but no, it's 158. But I guess they stay true to the, you know, to their roots. You know, it's just very compact, 4-door sedan. You know, it's just to get you by from point A to point B. But all right, guys, that's pretty much it on the review of this 2024 Honda Civic Sport. I really enjoy shooting this car. Overall, even though it's not a very powerful car, it's not a really exciting car to drive, I enjoy doing this review. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you smash that like button. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.